make you laugh. This is a new wine we're gonna try. It is called, turn it the other way, Chulo. Almando.
Almond.
It's almond sparkling wine. So we're gonna see how that tastes. And we have some guacamole. Ooh la la. So we're gonna try it. We'll let you know. We'll let you know how that works out. Here's the poppy. We'll have Mario taste it, see what he thinks.
Oh, it is good.
Is it good? I can't wait to try it. The reviews were excellent.
Yeah, it is
So
good.
we'll see how good it is. So Mario and I decided to stay home and do our little happy hour. We're working on our backyard to make it pretty. So I can't show you everything because we're still not beautiful, but we're working on it. More to come. It's Memorial Day, but it's a rainy one. So we weren't able to grill out, so we decided to go out and eat. So we're off to find a yummy place. We'll bring you along with us. Everybody be careful out there.
Oh, it went into the house.
Oh my. Oh, I hope nobody got hurt. Oh my goodness. Here we are. We made some Mexican food today. And to drink, I just want water.
Yeah, I mean that one.
¿Tú qué quieres dar? ¿Limonada o agua? Don't get her. Okay, so the food has arrived, and we got a parrillada, and here's the flames to keep the fajitas and all the good meat nice and warm. Here we go. Oh, this is what I ordered to share with everybody, obviously, because I can't eat all that. This is the sampler. We have tamales, flautas, quesadillas, nacho, and guacamole. And then here is plate. Can I have? Si me traes más salsa, por favor. Gracias. And then the main attraction is right here. Ooh. So yummy. Look at that. Ooh. ¿Qué vas a comer primero, Dad? Ahí están sus tortillitas allá. En la negra. Puede ser taquito de fajita, de pollo, de camarón y este es puerco. Deja que se caliente un poquito, ¿no? Ok. Debe. Ahí está. Este es puerco. Camarón. Okay, so I got from my botana platter, I got Mario a nacho, the quesadilla, a flauta, and guacamole. Enjoy, chulo. Claro, sí, porque es mucho para una persona, ¿verdad? Salsa, por favor. was in third grade when he learned it.
Allá en Ohio was
So we're done eating. We're pretty full, but this dessert menu looks delicious. We have flan and we have mini zapatillas. Obviously, we have these other things, but that's just too much. I think I'm gonna order mini zapatillas.
Sounds good. Sounds delicious.
Or do you want flan?
You want flan, Jojo?
¿Quieres flan o quieres zapatillas? No more? This is delicious. It's a very light dough, and you could put honey on it or butter. But with honey, if you smear honey on top of this, it is delicious. Look. We're done.